the 10th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
The Jaguar X350 project to replace X308 commenced in 1997 with an overarching requirement to offer more interior space in order to compete with other leading luxury marques. Although X350 was bigger than X308, it was constructed from bonded and riveted aluminium using aerospace grade adhesives and around 3,200 rivets. As such, X350 was around 80 kilograms lighter than X308 despite its larger proportions. The interior utilised the Spitfire dashboard and horse collar centre console designs as adapted in other contemporary Jaguar models. X350 launched at the Paris Motor Show in 2002 with an unpainted but polished aluminium example being displayed to really emphasise the modern aluminium architecture used. Engines for X350 comprise 3-litre V6, 3.5, 4.2 and 4.2 V8 supercharged petrol units. All models benefited from the 6-speed ZF 6HP26 automatic transmission. During 2005, a mild facelift to the X350, known as X356, implemented revised front grille, subtle bumper changes and interior equipment upgrades for the 2006 manufacturing year.